Hello, this is Claude here, and today's tutorial is lesson number 3 on how to add a background to your text. Okay, so we're going to select a text. We're going to keep it simple. I'm just going to select this bass text here. It should come up here. Once it's selected, I'm just going to select here. I'm going to go to this filter here and select filter, and then I'm going to select on filter on. Actually, go to outline, select outline, and then increase the gradients. So by selecting different colors here, so let's get, it's black, isn't it? So let's get a yellow background. So I can then get this yellow background here. So that's something neat. By adding a filter, you can move this up and down to get saturation or more. Now the outline here is what you see. Now if I were to put a shadow around this, I can very easily do that by putting it around the text. See how I get, if I want it on the box, I can do it. I can move this slider here and it'll make it stand out. If I want this color on the box, see this shadow here. If I want this shadow, which is the shadow here, if I want this to stand out, I can move this further. I can change this color to make it blue, and see how it stands out blue. Or I can go to light blue. You can do whatever you want. So in this tutorial, what we've done is we put a shadow on the letters here by going to filter, and then we've done by going to shadow, we've created a box here. So with the shadow here, you can go, you can do it on the text, or you can do it on the box, or you can have a cutout. A cutout means it's cutting out the letters and doing the same thing there. So if you do like my lessons in video thumbnail creation, subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate that, and head over to my website to read more on thumbnail creation. This is Claude in Brisbane. I appreciate you hopping over to my website.